How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be checking out the Keystone Sprinter Limited Wide Body version. This is going to be your 3810 QBS. At the very front, underneath the front of the camper, you're going to find your battery boxes, battery disconnect, spare tire, motion light to get everything illuminated. You have your propane tanks, pass-through storage that does go all the way through. You have solid steps, of course. Now this camper is dual entry, which is really nice. And then at the very end of this camper, you're going to find your little fridge to keep your drinks cool. At the back, you're going to have a ladder to get you at the very top. Of course, you have a little bit of solar, backup camera, and a hitch receiver down below. Now, this camper is 50 amp because this boy is massive. On the non-camp side, you're going to have 3 slide outs. Towards the front of the camper, you can see that we have a bedroom slide up there. And then below it, you're going to have your water heater, your water station, for your ports, your spray ports, city water, all that good stuff. And then to the left of it is the other side of your pass-through storage. Like I said, you do have 2 propane tanks. And then to the left of it, you're going to have your electronic leveling system. When you first walk through the door, you're going to see a little night light above the door, which is super cute to illuminate the area. You have a 3-burner cooktop, oven, and then a massive microwave. This kitchen island is really cute. You have a drawer on the end of it, single basin sink, residential fridge, and then your entertainment center is going to consist of a smart TV, soundbar, and fireplace. Heading towards the back of the camper, this is going to be a little bit different bunk setup than you're used to. So you have 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. You have charging ports galore because we know how those kids are. You have storage across from it, which is really nice. And then of course, you're gonna have your half bath. You have your sink, your vanity, and your porcelain toilet. Above the half bath, you're gonna have a little loft area for extra storage. And then heading towards the living room area, you're gonna have your theater seating. Now this theater seating does have cup holders, wireless charger, heat, vibration, and chargers built in. You have your freestanding dinette with a leaf that does pull out. And then you have your huge pantry. Next to your pantry, right across from your front door, you're gonna have a little space so that you can sit down, take off your shoes, hang up your coat. And then up the stairs to your left, you're gonna have your control panel. Heading further down towards the front of the camper, you're gonna have your bathroom on the left here. Now you have a skylight above that shower. You have a medicine cabinet, vanity, and of course, another porcelain toilet. Closing the door to the bathroom and heading towards the very front of the camper, you're gonna find your main bedroom. Now this is a king-size bed. You do have charging ports on either side. This wardrobe is massive. You have a little shelf in here to put your shoes. And you do have washer and dryer prep, of course. Across from the bed, you're gonna find your little wardrobe area to put your clothes. And that is it. This is gonna be your 2025 Keystone Sprinter 3810 QBS. Have a great day, guys. You have charging ports galore because we know how those kids are. You have storage across from it, which is really nice.